Okay, so today I've had to replace the heater blower motor on a Nissan Micra K12. A lot of people say it can't be done because you know, there's just not enough room underneath the dashboard. One way you can do it is by removing the top of the dash like this. Yeah, so remove the side trims on each pillar, then remove the top of the dash, it just pops off. And then if you cut one of the vent pipes with a hacksaw blade, such as this, do it carefully. I'd recommend disconnecting the battery to start with, just in case you touch any wires, but very carefully cut through that pipe, and then that gives you enough access to get down there with a heater motor and change it, and then basically just put the pipe back on, put some duct tape around it, for instance, because it's only got air going through it, hot air, and replace all the top, and you're done.